Tian and welcome to China Travel with Chinese Films. I'm now in Hengdian, also known as China's Hollywood. This is the place where many successful Chinese films and TV productions have come to life. Today, I hope with this backdrop of storytelling, we'll be able to provide you with an entry point to Chinese cinema and to the Chinese culture. This year's Chinese New Year film season had mega blockbusters like Ne Zha 2, Creation of the Gods 2, Detective Chinatown 1900, Legends of Condor Heroes, The Gallants, and Boonie Bears Future Born. It proved that ancient legends can captivate world audiences. So now let's wander through the iconic sites here, dive into lively discussion, and try to discover the charm of Chinese culture. Now, I'm traveling back to the very first dynasty in China, the Qing dynasty, and I'm waiting for a friend of mine coming from the Great West.
General Oliver, your protector,
Oliver.
my queen.
You look so cute. I didn't expect that you would be in the general costume.
I love that
Wonderful.
kind of costume.
Feeling at home?
We feel like kids.
Yes, indeed. Films make the dream come true.
Yeah.
So you're from France, and now you're in the Qing dynasty. Which one would you prefer?
Listen that these two countries have two incredible stories, so I love both.
Now
I
let's
prove it.
travel through time.
Let's go, come on, yeah. We feel like if we are in a movie.
You know, we are in the movies where quite a number of well-known Chinese films were shot. For example, The Emperor and the Assassin, and The Hero, The Promise. All of them are grand productions
Yeah.
right here.
And today, our movie. My queen.
Yes, our movie.
Appreciate.
I can see your dream of being an actor. And it's really coming true.
Yeah.
Another popular attraction in Hengdian is along the river during the Qingming festival. Its design is inspired by a masterpiece by the painter Zhang Ziduan from the Song dynasty. Here, visitors step into and become part of the ancient Chinese painting, mixing social background, customs, living style, and the ancient architecture of the Song dynasty. This spot has appeared in many popular Chinese TV dramas. Let's go. See you. We check out who are here. So this is another street of the Song dynasty, ready for all the productions of movies and also TV series.
Song dynasty around 1000.
Yes, indeed. Wow,
Indeed.
Very good history.
Yeah,
wow.
okay.
How are you? 你好。
下李清照给两位行礼了。
Wow, 你好。Li Qingzhao, one of the most well-known Chinese female poets throughout history.
不妨我给两位吟诗一首，可好？
太好了，谢谢。
请听好了，两位。昨夜雨疏风骤，龙水不消残酒。
You are two flowers in middle of flowers. The
他说
beautiful
你就
one.
美得像花儿一样。但是我想李清照一定她不只是美，还有非常才华。
对，两位告辞啊，
告辞，非常荣幸。
有缘再会。
So on this street, we're going to have all kinds of surprises. Meet very outstanding people, I was told.
Very exciting.
Yes. Oh, here is one of them.
表演啊，看打功夫。
Oh, yeah. Chinese acrobats
I love that.
coming out of the Song Dynasty. Yeah.
You can try if you want.
Please, you do first. Oliver, we have to move
very
now. We have
yeah.
another important assignment.
Oh, but